Well, ito po hindi siya directed to particular individuals. So pag ito pong usapin ng West Philippine Sea, this involves the whole of the Filipino people. No? So lahat tayo bilang mamamayang Pilipino, no? Iisa dapat ang puso natin pag usapin ng West Philippine Sea. The West Philippine Sea issue is actually a unifying factor. No? It should be a unifying factor for all Filipinos. Pagkausapin ng West Philippine Sea, wala itong kulay, wala itong politika, wala itong relihiyon, wala itong rehiyon, wala itong kung ano ang lengguwahe mo or dialect mo, no? It's a unifying factor for all Filipinos. Na kapag ang usapin is a West Philippine Sea, it involves our food security in general, kung mamamayang Pilipino, our energy security, the great resources that we have in the West Philippine Sea. It involves our national security in general. So even for us in the side of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, we transition from internal security operations to territorial defense, and we are calling on itong ang natitira sa hanay, no, ng ating mga rebelde to return to the folds of the law, and together let's fight a bigger challenge, which is territorial defense. So kapag Pilipino ka, no, andyan dyan ang usapin, pro-sovereignty ka, pro-sovereign rights ka, and we uphold international law. So, andyan, no, it's a third-party entity saying, no, in the United Nations Convention of the Law of the Sea, by the arbitral win that we have, no, panghalagahan natin itong panalong ito, and isulong natin ang ating soberenya, ang ating sovereign rights. Yan po ang misyon na gagampanan ng Armed Forces of the Philippines.
Paano kung Pinoy ka?